Dairy Queen is scoring big this summer with an exciting lineup of limited-time treats that celebrate both global flavors and American patriotism, the company announced June 23, 2026. Starting Monday, June 29th, DQ fans can sink their spoons into 3 brand-new Blizzard treats inspired by international flavors, plus a festive red, white, and blue slush float perfect for 4th of July celebrations. Stars and Stripes Misty Slush Float, a patriotic tribute. In honor of America's 250th birthday, Dairy Queen is launching the new Stars and Stripes Misty Slush Float, a visually stunning treat that's as festive as it is delicious. The float features beautiful layers of DQ Cherry Misty Slush, the chain's world-famous soft serve, and Blue Raspberry Misty Slush topped with festive star sprinkles. The red, white, and blue creation is designed to evoke patriotic spirit just in time for Independence Day celebrations. Price and availability. Small size, $2.50. Available, June 29th to July 5th, 2026 only. Bonus. Earn 250 bonus DQ points and 3 sweepstakes entries with purchase. News.dairyqueen.com. This limited-time offering is priced affordably to make it accessible for families celebrating the holiday, and its week-long availability creates urgency for fans to try it before it disappears. Alongside the Patriotic float, Dairy Queen is introducing its Blizzard Cup lineup, 3 exciting flavors inspired by the excitement of the global soccer stage, bringing international tastes to DQ locations across America. The Strawberry Mango Mochi Blizzard treat combines trendy Japanese-inspired ingredients with classic fruit flavors. Mango-flavored mochi pieces. Strawberry topping. DQ's world-famous soft serve. The treat blends these ingredients to Blizzard perfection, offering a unique texture experience with the chewy mochi pieces complementing the creamy soft serve. Cookie lovers rejoice. The Biscoff Cookie Blizzard brings the beloved European biscuit to DQ's iconic frozen treat. Crunchy, caramelized Biscoff cookies. DQ's world-famous soft serve. The Biscoff cookies, known for their distinctive